Yvonne, and I'm the owner of Body Innovations, and I've been in business it'll be 7 years this February. I concentrate on cellulite treatments through endermology, also infrared body wrap systems, also Dermasonic, which is an ultrasound treatment. The main goal is for blood circulation and to get the toxins flowing and out of the fat cells that are enlarged, which causes the cellulite. Well, it's for a range of cellulite from 1 to 4, and 4 being the worst. So if you're at a 4, and I can get you from a 3 to a 2, but the possibility of getting you to 1, as we get older, our skin loses its elasticity, its collagen, so it's harder to get to that 1. So it varies on a person's age, but most of the time I would say from a 4 to a 2 is 80 to 85% of possibility. But I need someone that comes into these treatments that realizing that you're not going to get instant results. Again, you need to work with me as I'm giving you these treatments. You need to have a good lifestyle. I think the ideal customer is someone who is dedicated to a good lifestyle, someone who exercises, watches their diet, and is really at the point of like, I can't take this anymore, and I want to do something about it. So, and a lot of the ladies that do come to me, it's like, I can't do this anymore. I want to wear shorts. I want to wear a bathing suit. I want to do something about it. And unfortunately, dieting and exercise, that doesn't do it. So the combination of it all, we can get there.